Body Harmonics Yoga. In this video, I would like to share with you a deep cleansing breath that I use when I feel a little agitated or nervous that can help to reset the breathing so that you can have a little more control in your breathing practice. So I'll describe it to you first, and then I'll do it once, and then I'll give you a couple things to look out for when you're practicing on your own. So to begin, we'll take a breath in, and then we will exhale all the breath out. When we think we're empty, when it feels like we're empty, we're going to purse the lips and blow out a little bit more. Then we're going to hold on that dramatic, overdone exhalation for a few counts. Then we'll slowly soften the throat, soften the core, and allow breath to come back inside. Notice I didn't say that we're going to inhale, because that implies an active participation in the inhalation. Instead, we're going to consciously soften the throat and the body so that the environment puts air back into us in a very receptive, passive sort of way. So it looks like this. And it just feels lovely. Like that inhale on the back end, after I've done that dramatic exhalation, it feels so clearing, okay? So a couple things to watch out for. When you are holding the exhalation, try not to grip your throat. If you notice this sound, when you inhale, that means that your throat has closed too tightly, and then the suction back in causes that little glottal snap. So you want to soften the throat before you allow the breath to come back inside. One other thing to be aware of is that whenever we impose control on the breath, we are digging into our nervous system pretty directly, and that can be powerful and healthy and useful, but just also be really aware of your own reaction to controlling the breath. If your heart starts to race or you start to get some nervous flutters or whatnot, just take it easy, take a step back, and let your breath run its course before you come back and try to control it again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear your questions and comments. And if you would like to try a complimentary supervised online yoga class, you can find links and a discount code in the description of the video below. And if you like the video, please remember to hit the thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon.